They're not singing to you?
Guys, let's hope we
We've
just come
arrived.
inside.
We've arrived and they're not singing to you. What's on tap for today, Kristen?
Mexico.
What in Mexico?
Ham
Kirsten?
sandwiches.
Ham sandwich. Yes, they are going to serve me a ham sandwich for lunch. We have requested a non-ham sandwich for lunch. What do
To
you
be
think we're going
clear,
to
he
get?
asked for the kosher meal, and that was very confusing to the people on the boat.
Yes, and then he goes, "What other than ham would you like?" I go, "Anything other than ham."
I suggested that perhaps they gave him chicken or roast beef.
That seemed a little difficult. So I've
an
smuggled
email
some.
was sent
An email was sent. I've smuggled some apples off the boat in the event that
that
I get a ham.
sustenance is not provided in a non-ham form.
Right. Give me one hammy day.
Hammy. We're going to some sort of ruins today.
We're gonna get ruined today.
Hopefully we don't have to walk up the whole thing. Though we've been practicing, we've been getting in shape with the stairs in the ship.
Yes, we
because
walked
haven't
the
been
stairs.
elevatoring that very much.
Yeah. So, wish us luck. This should be.
There will be no monkey sloths or iguanas today, unless there's some sort of happy accident. There's animals at the ruins. I'll be super excited. There's coatis here. Shh. All bets are off. One's coming on the ship.
All right. More to come. No drone. Oh, keepsake. Pack it up. Take it on the cruise. Pizza ham sandwich. There we go. Come on, Kier.
I'm just watching for dreams. Slow and steady wins the race.
Right, race. Exactly. You can do it, Kirsten. Come on.
No spiders.
I'm not going to get on the Amazing Race unless you make this.
No ants. No bugs. The mosquitoes found me down there, let me tell you.
By the way, there's no elevator down. How you doing there, Kier?
Wishing for some handrails, that's all. Hey, Phil.
Reason number 42 why we should be on the Amazing Race. We have climbed the ruins.
Temple number 6.
Temple number 6 in Mexico. Here in.
I don't know how to say it. Starts with a D and it's a Z. And
We'll have to bone up.
Roberto says it better.
Roberto doesn't say it better, but we made it to the top of this. If we can make it here, we can do the Amazing Race.
Trough here.
Hey, Kirsten. Kirsten. Kirsten, where are you? I'm coming. I'm coming. Down I go. One step at a time. Kirsten, where are your handrails? Went to the top. Saw some monkeys. Got an amazing panorama. And now I gotta head back down. No escalator, no elevator, no handrails. Just gotta make it down. No idea how these people did this on a daily basis. I made it, Kier.
You did. And the bus didn't leave without you, so win-win.
Oh, I'm drowning in my clothes.
That I expect.
It's a little moist here.
You know I love banyan trees. I get very excited.
Problem is you can't. First of all, everything this guy's telling us, how do we know it's true? I mean, we can't get Google on our phones.
Well, the one lady was asking, "Oh, can we get a book on this? Is there people with like history stuff? Like we can buy a pamphlet? Because I'm not going to remember all this." I said that's what the internet's for.
I know. I'm going to buy it anyway. I'm.
Well, yeah, it's good to have a reference to start from, and then if you have extra
Unless, of
questions,
course, he made it all up.
Yeah.
didn't. I
well,
trust Roberto.
And I need to support the local economy.
Yes.
That's what I'm feeling. You know.
3 years ago, cats everywhere. Everywhere.
Wow.
Sitting on the chair next to you at the restaurant outside,
And then
on the sidewalks.
In their defense, though, it's a fishing town.
It is a fishing town, so there's a lot of fish there because
Yeah,
and that's where they are fishing.
That's why. That's why.
Yeah. So there are a lot of fish, a lot of cats.
They're very
Can't
happy.
just bring them home.
Yes.
Oh, fat and happy cats. They get
Yeah,
fish
very,
every day.
Very fat.
They
And
get
the
fish,
restaurants
and they
put-
don't even have to
The
put
restaurant
a line
puts
out.
food out for them, like at the end of the night. Like if there's extra food, they feed them.
Yeah, if you're a cat and you're there,
They get taken care of.
yes.
It's not so bad. Though I would have put at least a dozen in my bag to take home.
The moment of truth. Looks like lunch.
Yeah.
Kirsten. Let's see if there's a non-ham sandwich.
I told you, yours is.
Oh boy, mystery lunch.
That's got water in it.
I earned it today.
So this has the double
Inspect.
batter too.
Look and inspect.
Is there one that's marked differently?
So one that's not a ham sandwich. It's a surprise.
Banana, and it has
Hey,
snack,
yeah.
and you grab a
Oh, I can
It's
smell the
monkey.
banana.
It's monkey.
Hold
Oh,
on.
the sandwiches are separate. My friend, this
Okay.
is the snacks. This is
Oh,
all
this
snacks.
is snacks. Okay.
You can have my banana.
Sandwich there? You want sandwich?
And the drink, I think, is right too.
And I'm thinking there is not a non-ham sandwich. All the sandwiches ham, huh?
Okay.
Or wait, is that roast beef? What is that? No.
No.
Nope. Obviously the guy who on the obviously the guy on obviously the guy on the cruise did not understand the does not eat ham part.